just happen here? What can you do, right? Back to the drawing board. Oh, whoops! They got away! Oh dear. Let's have a super cleanup race. Leo, you're on Lego duty. Mia, you gather all the cuddly toys. And Sam, you're in charge of the cars. Gravity, you trick thing. I'll get you next time. Ooh, sparkly! Almost done with my super-duper tower. You all go to sleep now, little friend stands. Sweet dreams. Not like that, Milo. Oops. What if we work together? One section at a time. There! Now you're a super sorter!
Let's put this here so it's easier to sort.
This block is a cherry drop. And this car is a licorice swirl. Clean up toys, so much fun. Play again when we are done. Look, Leo, the blocks go right here on the shelf. It's super easy. Oh, I see. Okay, Poppy. Put toys away, it's so much fun. We'll play again tomorrow. Clean up, everybody do your share.
Bet I can put these away before you finish the crayons.
You're on. Ready, set, clean.
Super cleanup team wins.
We finally did it! It looks amazing! So shiny!